Today we're making cabbage soup. Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making cabbage soup. So hop on board and let's get cooking.
Place a large soup pot on medium-high heat and add 1/4 cup of vegetable broth. Once hot, add 1/2 cup diced onions and saute until translucent and starting to brown. Add a little water if onions start to stick. Add 1 2/3 teaspoon Bragg soy seasoning, 1 1/4 teaspoon spike seasoning, 3/4 teaspoon dried mushroom powder, 3/4 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, that's our vegan Worcestershire sauce, and freshly ground black pepper. Stir until well combined, adding a little water if needed. Add 1 1/2 cups of chopped mushrooms and stir until well combined. Then add 1 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic. Stir until combined, adding a little water if needed. Add 2 3/4 cups chopped cabbage, 1 cup of sliced leeks, 1 cup diced celery, 1 cup chopped kale. Add 1/2 cup diced carrots. Stir until well combined before adding 3 cups of canned diced tomato, 2 cups of water, and 2 1/4 cups of vegetable broth. Stir until well combined, then add 2 tablespoons sun-dried tomatoes. These are what really turn this soup into a delicious, outstanding, enjoyable meal. Add 2 tablespoons minced basil, 2 tablespoons oregano, 2 teaspoons minced rosemary, and you are good to go.
If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.